Okay. By default, list items are displayed vertically. In this example, we will display a line block to display them horizontally, side by side. And this is the example of horizontal navigation bar: home, about us, our friends and contacts. If you resize the browser window, then what's happen? This is the horizontal, and if you resize, let's say this will be the vertical. Okay, go back to your code. Let's see. UL for unordered list. Okay, whose class is net. I have already used four list items. Home, address, our clients and contacts. Okay. I have also declared a style section for nav. Class is nav. Okay. Whose background color is yellow. List style none. External center margin and padding will be 0. For list items, display inline block. Okay. 20 pixel font size and padding. Go to browser. Okay. If you want to sense anything from this horizontal nav, just go back to your code. I want to set this as inline. What happens? Okay. Go back to your browser, refresh. Okay. Let's see. Not that good. If you use block, block, save it. Let's see. This will be sensed as vertically. Okay. So block is used to vertically. If you resize this, what happens? Nothing. Enter plus Z for undo inline block. Okay. And display for only list item, not this. Okay. Not this nav option.